Right, gaming day, next day. First time we've carried it over to the next day.
I suppose it, isn't it?
Yeah. But we
Did we
both
not do
woke
that
up.
with the Chaos Engine?
I don't know. I don't think you did. Sorry, I should have set this up already. Anyway.
Dead air is a crime.
Right, this morning, we are playing... What are we playing, Blade?
Swiv.
Mm-hmm. What are we going to do with it?
Swivel. We're going to complete it.
We're going to complete it.
Yeah.
Because...
With no deaths.
Exactly.
Maybe not.
Aim high.
It's rock hard.
What am I doing here?
Good game though, this one. Yeah. One of you's a Jeep, one of you's a copter.
Yeah. Mark the Blade is going... Sneech there.
Ah, great game.
Mark the Blade is going to be... Strip poker there. Look at that. This is a doorway into my mind.
Pixelated.
No, because we used to have... I think we used to have that back in the day.
Was it number 2, was it?
Oh, I don't know. It's absolutely crap. Right, let's wait for the music.
It might have reset the controller. No? Oh, it's like Saber Team. Same music.
Yeah, similar sound.
Disturbing.
Right.
Oh, I'm on edge. Yeah.
Yeah, so we had a little practice earlier and we couldn't get it to work, but it's because we didn't know about this fucking menu.
Son of a gun.
So, F6. So, Mark's going to be the Jeep, Blade's going to be the Jeep.
Come on.
I'm going to be the helicopter and we're going to complete it. Right, let's get fucking on it.
Alright. Right, if we die in the first level, I'd say...
Restart.
You restart.
Just a touch. Don't want to piss off the neighbours with our ultra gaming skills. We don't want a crowd, do we? We don't want a crowd. We want to watch us.
It's in demand. You know, this sort of thing. I missed a few helicopters, but it's fine. It's only for points, right? Do you get any?
Yeah, I think so. You might get an extra life per point.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
My Jeep likes to jump when I least expect it. My Jeep can jump if I go into terrain, right?
Yeah, you need to control that shit.
Yeah. I'm getting in there on the tracks. No, not yet.
Yeah, you got more to think about being the Jeep, but I'll hold your hand.
I just jumped again.
I don't. When you move, it looks like it's going off the ground, but it's not. But it's only when you press up against a bit of the scenery.
Oh, I did it again.
Fucking hell, I almost died. Right, this is the first boss. We just need to go right in the middle.
Nice.
Right, let's get some of these. I would recommend the V ones, but...
Oh, that's alright, I'm having that one.
Yes.
God, it's difficult, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was that anyway that I picked up? Because my gun doesn't look any different.
I think you've gone for... Just fucking died.
It's not.
And I've gone back to 2 crap.
No.
Restart?
Yeah. Yeah, what was the
Yeah, this is the practice game. Yeah, so, right, the first one... Yeah, that's a good point, actually. Right, the first one's money.
Yeah.
So points, basically. Second one is close, so your bullets are close together.
Shit.
Then the next one, V, is spread fire. And I think the last one, the 4 one, might be fast shooting. Oh yeah, watch this.
Outstanding.
I'll tell you what, before we crack back on, shall I look at the manual?
Yeah, I think that, just so we know what we were dealing with.
Right, brief interlude.
You've got a flavour of the game at least.
Yeah. We've wetted your whistle. They're looking at our skills thinking, they can't do it. They're not going to be able to do it. Right, where's the bloody...
Silkworm 4.
Yeah.
Ah,
it's actually
what it stands for.
Silkworm, yeah. Because there was a previous Silkworm game. Right, here we are. No.
Beware the enemy of homing missiles.
It doesn't say about the power-ups, does it?
Not I can see.
I tell you what, there's probably another... Is everyone enjoying this? I'll have to cut this out. These are hints and tips.
The best thing to do is pick up a couple of spread fire and then grab hold of speed fire as well. The most you can get is 5 spread fire. So once you've got them, concentrate on the speed fire.
I think the speed is the last one.
Yeah.
And the V is the spread. And the first one you don't want to get makes it compact.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's go with that.
Oh, we don't need any other tabs.
No. Shields are very important in the game. Should not be wasted. Use them as a smart bomb because this is a waste. Oh, okay. So shooting them is a waste, is it?
Apparently. But I think it's possible to have both of us have a shield, and then if you both go in together, it blows up then.
Into me!
I think.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, let's get back on it. I'm going to have to do the control thing again.
Okie dokie. Yeah, I can already tell this is going to be rock hard.
Yeah, it will be. I just want the music to come back in. There we are. Don't worry. We're going to
I don't like it.
Right, you ready to enter hell?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I need you fully focused. Jeep. Don't panic.
I think I prefer the D-pad, to be honest.
Yeah?
When I'm playing games like this.
Yeah, do it, mate.
Oh, they're not getting anywhere, man. It's not getting anywhere.
Yeah, I mean...
They're not going anywhere.
Ideally, we want as few things to get out of the screen as possible. Wish I knew how you get extra lives. I think that would be useful. Not that we'll need them, but you never know. Can't be strong. That's a nice breeze then. Yesterday we were roasting.
Yeah.
And it smelled rank. It didn't really. Just a little bit. Right. Do your business, mate. You manage alright? I'll shoot him for you as well.
Thanks. Oh, okay. Oh, you're just shooting past.
Push him
okay,
up.
that's a good idea. I'm totally screwing this up. I do apologise, people.
Yeah, this will not do.
Oh, come on.
That's it. That'll do.
You nicked one of mine.
Yeah, by accident.
No, I saw that. Yeah. So ratty behaviour. No, to be fair, that was awful for me. I panicked.
Don't worry.
I'm going to shoot those things quick. Yeah, these bloody things
Yeah.
are a pain in the arse.
Right, shield. Do you want the shield, Mark?
No, you get it.
Alright.
I've got enough to worry about. To think about. Bloody hell, it's all happening.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, there's lots to
You can see what's going to
Feel my
happen.
heart rate, anyway. Pumping.
That's why I want your beats per minute up to around 200.
Yeah, it reached that about 5 minutes ago.
See if we can take it to 300. Watch out for those field guns. Right. I reckon there might be a boss coming.
get that. I think you've got more mobility.
I just died. Right, that's not good, but
there's another one there.
We'll see. We'll let that one cook for a bit, because I can feel a boss coming.
Yeah.
Oh, these are shit.
Satisfying though.
It's good that you mop up the bullets with these things.
Yeah.
I get distracted by. I find it hard to look at so much going on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can jump over stuff. But I can't jump over the pyramid.
I think you can.
Giza.
You can jump on top of it. Oh, right. There's definitely a boss coming.
Yeah. That's mental.
There's definitely a boss coming up.
Okay.
That shield. Yeah, here he is.
You can move! I was stuck on the bloody pyramid! That's annoying.
He didn't like that. Oh my Christ, that was awful.
Oh shit.
Right. I think we bit off more than we could chew.
Yeah.
We should have known.
Perspective. Well, you see how big those ships
are? Right, watch out for these things. When they float off, they let off like 100 bullets.
Okay.
So enjoy. I think you can shoot them. Or it might be better to leave it. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Not quite 100 bullets, but I remembered that being slightly different. Oh.
Laser got me. This game is rock hard, man.
I think something comes out on top of that. Look at that shit. Sacrilege, isn't it? Putting a gun in a bloody pyramid.
Oh, it is.
Shoot this fuck. Oh. We got problems here.
Very little
shit.
space I've got here. To be honest, that smart bomb's not that bad.
No, I think it's good for when you're...
It's always away, so I disagree.
Yeah, I think we need to write the book on tips for this.
Shit, man.
We're in trouble here, boy. We are in trouble, boy.
Oh god, this is intense.
Have some of that, you great fuck.
Great big ball bag.
Oh man. Oh, it's just so much going on.
Yeah. I think you're better off just getting anything.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Just treat it like But then you said there's one that reduces stuff, does it?
No, it just compacts. You don't get the spread. I think spread's quite useful.
I can't get over there. I was trying to jump over. Look, you want to let me jump over? Disagree.
Someone's struggling.
No, I am. I really am.
Oh, you used the credit mark.
Oh.
That's
yeah,
right.
I've got 3 lives.
Yeah,
definitely
use the credit.
Than
That's cool. Well, at least got credits. Come on, cross. We might be able to do it if we've got credits. How many credits?
How do I get credits then?
It looks like there's a free next to. There's a free and a star. I'm wondering if there's like smart bombs you can use. I don't know how you would.
Maybe it's done by the points. It's got to be.
Mebbers.
Gotta get that guy. When those jeeps come, hit them quick.
Yeah.
There's only room for one jeep in this world.
Agreed. The blade jeep.
The blade. This looks dodgy.
Yeah. Looks. Oh, this is a boss, I think. Better die.
Yeah.
That middle thing is obviously a gun.
Yeah.
Well, this isn't too... Yes, yes.
I've got the
Oh, you got it.
lateral advantage. Ah, yeah!
That was extra life.
Sweet. Yeah, you needed that.
Sweet.
Uh-oh.
To be fair, it is way easier being the helicopter. Oh, I hate it when they shoot. That shouldn't be allowed.
Oh, a little reprieve.
Yeah. Watch out. Sir. Oh, there's a shield there, Mark. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you need to get it next time.
It's alright. Oh, man, I need more bullets. We're doing alright.
Yeah.
Considering this is the first time we've ever played it.
What are the stars? You've got 4 stars, I've got 3.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that's a smart bomb, but I have no idea how you would find it. So we're playing...
Jeez Louise!
Jeez, that was intense.
Ah, that was intense. Ooh, easy, easy.
Oh, there's bloody things coming out of the left right sooner.
Yeah, I could do with some firepower now, you know, faster.
Yeah.
And actually, sometimes the fact that it's almost too spread now.
Yeah.
Oh
shit. That's the problem with spread.
Yeah.
But see, look how many bloody mate.
Building got in my way.
Doing damage.
That's annoying.
Check. Oh shit, yeah, see you've only got a narrow space now. Yeah, that makes it really hard.
Oh,
you're in a bloody... He's in a... He's in the blade boat.
They fought everything.
The blade boat. Legend said the blade can drive any vehicle.
They were wrong.
Oh.
Just flexing.
It'd be good to know how you do them smart bombs though, if there are a thing.
Yeah.
Unless it's... I don't know what else it could be.
Oh yeah, they go fast, don't they? Yeah. Look at that, something else.
Reminds me of the boats from Micro Machines. Oh, Christ. You fuck.
Yep. Shoot the crap out of them.
Yeah. Oh, mate. Yeah. Let's push him up. Oh, extra life for someone.
Oh, I can go under shit. Oh shit!
What did you do then?
Panic, Mr. Mannering. Panicked.
I think you nobbled one of my power-ups. That's what you did.
Didn't you owe me one from the beginning? Yeah.
I'll let you.
Let's go with that.
I'll watch out. It's this thing.
Yeah.
It takes a bit.
Yeah, he takes a lot. Oh, no one there. If you get it from the side, more surface area. Look at that. Ah, yeah.
Oh, pincer.
Oh,
okay.
Can he kill them, can you?
Those things are from Tiger Mission. They first appeared on the Commodore game. Oh, that's your vacuum Jeep.
I'd like to know how they're powered.
Fusion reactors. Right, this gets hard now.
Because they'll bloody shoot.
But look at our bullets. Check. Their bullets are hard to see. That's the problem.
Yeah. I was nowhere near that. I just thought I was away from that.
No credits left.
Ah, shit.
It's all up to you, Blade.
Yeah, that 4 times thing might work out all that.
Yeah, we're playing with a disadvantage.
They
don't let you have many credits, do they? But keep pushing though, and see we'll be able to see what percentage completion we have at the end of it.
The trick is to keep moving, I guess.
Legend added, the blade like to fight along. Oh, this is cool. The spaceship takes off from the cornfields.
Oh, cool. And leaves the depression on.
Now look at that. Don't bother trying to kill it. Look at that.
That is cool.
This game was ahead of its time.
Yeah.
Probably.
Does it ever stop to load?
Nope. Cutting edge.
Yeah.
I think it's constantly accessing the disc. I think. I might be wrong. Oh, it's so annoying. You're in trouble, mate. This looks hellish coming up. It's like you're entering the Death Star.
I'm gonna jump there.
They were on point with the sound effects, except for the noise the Jeep makes when it jumps.
Yeah.
Oh, hell. It's a Jeep orgy. Oh, look at this. Swivels. At least there's no foot.
Bullets. Oh, that's pretty crappy.
Yeah. This is fantastic.
When do you come in?
I won't come back now.
Oh,
hell.
Christ almighty.
That's it. Ooh.
No.
Life left. Get right under. Yeah. Yes. That's it. Nice. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you need.
Yeah, it's got good good rate. Good rate of fire there.
Oh.
Whee!
Oh, we're going into a dried riverbed. The graphics are pretty good, aren't they? You've got to handle it.
Yeah.
The colour palette's a little muted, but those little shopping trolleys. Whoa.
Yeah. It is easier though, because you've got less to
distracting you. Yeah, because like when you're looking at my skills, you're like, fuck, how can I do it? Is it like that? Yeah.
I'm just in awe of you, like every time you're on the,
I
don't know what to
I'm
do.
sorry, mate. I'll try and turn it back, although I am dead. Oh, look at this. Blade, you could complete this. If you complete this, there's a prize in it for you. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I just realised I'm still on one with 0 lives. This is it.
This is last ditch hero ship. There's a shield to the left.
Oh my god!
You can't get
I'm
it.
in a boat all of a sudden. I didn't not see that.
Hovercraft. This is... Legends are going to be made of this.
Come on.
Never seen anything like it. Still got some coffee.
Yeah, boy.
Shield. Yes.
Yes. I can actually get it.
Gets to live another day. That's it, go right in. Shield is still there. It's coming off.
This feels like a boss is coming up.
It's the Jeep. A brief moment of reprieve. Oh hell. Oh shit. That's right. And he's back on it. Which those are going to open. Oh my god.
Oh,
that was
actually helpful.
You're going to have to jump off this, I think. Look at this.
Come on.
We're entering a medieval land, I think. It always goes back to medieval times.
I think that's why I like ball games so much. It just transports me back to medieval times. Like fantasy. Like I like reading fantasy, but because they're usually so epic. It's like to get any real kick out of it, you got to be reading it for hours and hours and hours. That's why I like ball games, I think.
Yeah, well, that's interesting.
It's just
get a better hit.
Yeah.
The other way is to, of course, dress up as a monk. Which, oh, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on. I'm running out. I'm in trouble.
Good morning. No. Go for it now, it's right. Mark's not going anywhere.
Wait a minute.
This fucking guy.
That was quite an intense little section.
It was. You managed it amazingly well. I told Vanessa to come in and distract you at one point. You passed it. Oh, shit. Oh, boss time. Oh my god. This guy. Oh. Jack. Oh my Christ. This guy! Yes. Right.
I think I've had all my spread, haven't I?
I don't know what to do now. Yeah, you've spread wide open. Well, you got 5 stars now, so then... Oh, I'm going to try something. Let's try this. Right, that's it.
Oh yeah, try some.
I'll pause it.
Oh.
Right, there's got to be, because I want to help you out. This might be the last.
Shit, I should have got another V actually. I probably could go one more up.
Well, don't worry. Right.
Didn't you say there was one that gets closer?
Well, it compacts it.
Yeah.
Into a rod. I mean, you could... one of us could have spread, one of us could have the compact thing. Yeah. But if you complete this now...
Oh, God! Yeah,
what the
that
hell
crack. That's my wrist. Gaming wrist, isn't it?
Yeah, we've put it through its paces today. Yeah, see, it doesn't say what the star thing is. What would that be?
The what?
At the top of the thing, you've got 5 and a star.
Yeah. Maybe it's just multiplier.
Yeah, it could be.
Score.
It doesn't say anything about...
Want to play Swiv? Swivel!
Right, okay. Well, I'm afraid you're on your own.
Okay, yeah, I bet it is just multiply.
Right, let's just study what we've got here already. I think you might have to crack the domes on these. Yeah. Perhaps.
Okay.
Those 2 things maybe... I don't know. Good luck. Ready? 5, 4, 3. Yes.
Mummy. Oh.
This is doable, mate.
I went to move.
That was... You did well there. You did well.
I went to move to 57%. I meant to move to the left.
57?
Yeah.
I thought that would be the end of the game.
Damn.
Oh, man. Wow. Jim Blade. Okay, well...
Good game.
Next time you're down, we'll do it again, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it again.
Oops up.
I don't want to do it again.
Oh, Han Solo. Yoda. Anakin Skywalker. No way did Anakin Skywalker beat Yoda.
Admiral. It's a trap. Akbar. The fish bloke. It's a trap. Yeah, so this would have been. I thought it was a combined score, but.
Plain bread.
Okay, so yeah, first game done.
Good game.
Right, what are we playing now? Oops,
Yeah.